Hi friends, we are back with Skills 3 Lesson 8. We are going to jump right into our oral blending. I'm going to start going a little bit quicker because yesterday I got cut off at the last few seconds of our video, and I'm just going to go a little bit quicker because of that because I only have 15 minutes, okay? So I'm going to jump right in. I, k. Say it with me. I, k. The word is Mike. Next sounds, at. Say it with me. At. My word is Matt. Next sounds, at. Say it with me. Sam. Next sounds, j, e. Say it with me, j, e. My word is Jeff. Next sounds, t, m. Say it with me, t, m. The word is Tim. Next sounds, b, I, o. Say it with me, b, I, o. My word is Bill. Next sounds, d, a, n. Say it with me, d, a, n. My word is Dan. Next sounds, k, a, o. Say it with me, k, a, o. My word is cow. Next sounds, d, a, v. Say it with me, d, a, v. My word is Dave. Next sounds, t, a, m. Say it with me, t, a, m. My word is Tom. Okay, now we need to review our sounds that we've learned so far. That sound is like in Matt. Remember, you were repeating after me also. This sound is ah, like in mad. The ah sound is in the middle of that word. Next one. The sound is t, like in tag. Next sound, d, like dad. The d sound is at the beginning and the end of that word. This is one of our vowel sounds. We learned this. It is ah, like in mom. The ah sound is at the middle of that word. This is the sound we learned yesterday. K, like in cat. This is our new sound. It is g. Say that with me. G. Like in go. Repeat these words after me. Give. Get. Goat. Girl. The g sound is at the beginning of those words. Pause right now and you can try to think of some g words on your own and resume when you're ready. These words have the ending sound of g. Repeat them after me. Big, hug, rag, leg, log. Very good. And we are going to play I'm thinking of something again. I'm thinking of someone in your family who is your mom's mom or your dad's mom. If you said grandma, you are correct. I'm thinking of a material that windows are made of. It's very hard and smooth and usually clear, but don't break it. If you said glass, you are correct. I'm thinking of a color this time. Grass, leaves, and some apples are this color. If you said green, that is correct. I'm thinking of something you can chew, but you're not supposed to swallow, and sometimes you can blow big, giant bubbles. If you said gum, you are correct. I'm thinking of a kind of plant that grows in many yards, and you have to mow it. If you said grass, that is correct. I'm thinking of the opposite of bad. That's right. Good. I'm thinking of a kind of white, sticky substance you use to hold things together. It's really sticky when it dries and it becomes hard. And after we use it in class, everyone wants to wash their hands. Glue. Correct. I'm thinking of a bird similar to a duck, and it has a long neck and big red feet, and it says honk. If you said goose, that is correct. Okay, now for this one, I'm going to have you close your eyes, and sometimes it's hard to determine if between the g and the k, because we use our mouth in pretty much the same way. So I want you to close your eyes and listen carefully to my two words, and then you're going to repeat them and tell me which word starts with the g sound. Okay, so close your eyes, listen, cap, gap. Repeat those, and then see which one starts with the g sound. Cap and gap. Gap starts with the g sound. Okay? Gold, cold. Gold. Next, could, good. Good. Next to, cave, gave. Gave. Good job. Next to, grab, crab. Grab is correct. Next to, gauge, cage. Gauge. Next to, come, gum. Gum. Next to, coal, goal. Goal is correct. Next to, goat, coat. Goat. Last two, clad, glad. Glad. Parents, if you need to pause this right here and just take a moment, this is the first time we've done this in class. We will probably do it more than one time. So if you want to pause here and do it one more time with your child, that would help them out. Practice makes perfect. And then resume when you're ready. Okay, to make the g sound, you are going to start at the dotted line and make a circle to the bottom line. The g sound is one of the letters that we are going to go below the bottom line. So whenever you are making your line down, it's going to curve below the circle, below the bottom line. Okay? The line has to touch your circle or else it will not be the G sound. And it has to go below and make a hook. Okay? Remember those special little writing strokes that we did. We did a bunch of those hooks. Okay? And then next, here is your workbook page. This is a gate, zebra, ice cream, girl, glasses, and gloves. Remember, for that you are only going to write the G sound if the word starts with it, okay? Last but not least, we have our chaining. I'm going to go a little bit faster on this so I can get it all in. I have 4 minutes. I think I can get it done. This sound is T, ag, T, ag. Okay, we're going to take off the ending sound and put a D sound. T, ad, tad. Now we're going to take off the beginning sound and put a D sound. So you still have the ad, so it's D, ad, dad. Taking off the beginning sound again, so you still have the ad, and we are going to add the sound. Mad. Mad. This time we're going to take that ending sound away and put the T sound. Okay? At. Mat. Okay? And it looks like this time the only sound that's staying, we're going to take the middle sound away and the beginning sound, and we're going to put, oops, sorry, wrong one. We're going to put the ah sound, ot, and then put the k sound, k, ot, cot. Take the beginning sound and replace it with a g, so you still have ot, g, ot. Got. Taking that beginning sound away again and putting a t sound, so you still have ot, t, ot, tot. And again, beginning sound. Let's try this one. D, ot, dot. Last one, taking away the ending sound, putting this g sound at the end. Let's try this. D, og, dog. Yes. Trivia time. Who remembers the name of my dog? You know I'm obsessed with her. Her name is Journey, and she is sleeping right next to me as I'm teaching you this lesson. Y'all did very good, and thank you so much for trying your very best, and I will see y'all again tomorrow. Bye-bye.